Welcome beautiful salespeople, I hope that you're having an amazing week. I'm gonna show you an update that Chat GPT had last week and I'm gonna cover it today. So a few things that they added. They added the custom website that allows you to search and Google for all the GPTs, kind of like the GPT Store. These are all the custom GPTs that you are able to create, and I think that in our industry in Web3, this is gonna be like a very, very good use case, because when you're going here and you're looking for Web3, there is no GPTs that are available there. So it's a like whole new field of opportunities for you to create a custom GPT. And then what OpenAI told us is that in Q1 they're gonna add the ability to monetize these GPTs for you, specifically right now, like if you're living in the US, and then if you're living abroad, you're also gonna have this opportunity to monetize. So if you can create a good custom GPT that's gonna be good for Web3 sales, and you're putting it here like Web3 marketing helper, Web3 sales helper, Web3 developer helper, all this sorts of stuff, you have a good opportunity to go and monetize this and create an additional stream for you. But I'm going to show you a few of the GPTs that I found specifically useful here that I personally want to use. Not about sales, about general stuff. About sales, I'm going to create my own GPT, and I'm thinking about sharing it with the broader community. Please let me know if you're interested in this. Just write a comment or write me in DMs on Telegram. Subscribe to the channel, because that's also going to understand if you're interested in this. This is going to be basically like the general GPT that everything that you need to know about Web3 sales is going to be there. But what we're jumping into the GPTs here. So the first GPT that I found that is very, very cool is called, let it load. Come on. Yeah, shoot. Okay, let's start with the second one. It's called Logo Creator. Very simple idea, very easy idea. Ability to create you different logos. I didn't know about this, and I think it's created by Chat GPT team or somebody related to the Chat GPT team. So it's pretty good and pretty interesting GPT for me. I've been trying to do the Web3 Sales Gym logo. Maybe we're gonna redo the logo in the future, but I really like that I can tailor the prompt. I can tell what kind of colors, what kind of styles, and this general logo, it's not bad. Okay, I think it's pretty decent. So if you don't know how to create a logo, you giving your custom instructions, it's gonna ask you what kind of logo you want. It's gonna give you all the instructions here, and I really recommend you to use this thing just as like for initial ideation, at least, that you can show to your designers so they can create a better logo. Next one is the first one, called Screen to Code GPT. This is amazing. You're basically taking a screenshot of any website and they're putting it to you in the form of code. You can copy the code and you can paste it into any chat creator or like any code or any website that you want to have. Basically having the same overview, same relay with editable fields, all of this sort of stuff. This is, the next step. Better than this is when you're just basically telling ChatGPT what kind of website to create and they're creating for you. And I'm going to show it also to you. The third one is the thing that I really, really like, because I'm not like very good at creating this sort of prompts, because like I'm a bit lazy and I don't have time to write this, walls of text and make sure that ChatGPT is giving me like the great example. So what I have here is the prompt perfect. You basically telling them what to do, then they're refining the prompt for you, telling you what kind of stuff you want to have, and they even gonna answer you. And they already deleted the thing, but I'm gonna show you how this works. So basically in the prompt perfect, they're analyzing the thing, they already have the instructions, and they're providing the answer. So I'm moving to Canada. I want to know how can I control crypto taxes here. And instead of doing all the research, they're basically going and scraping all the web for me, and I don't need to do anything, which I really, really like. Next thing, while it's working, I'm going to show you Grimoire. Grimoire is also very nice because you can tell them what kind of website you want to build. So I told them like, I have a website for a YouTube channel called Web3 Sales Gym. And this is the overview that they created for me, homepage, about section, basically the whole video. And they even analyzed what I have been doing on the YouTube, which I really, really like, because they understand what they want to do. This is what I have in plans. I want to create a website. ChatGPT is helping me with this. I don't need to do anything with my hands, or I will find, basically GPT will be the website for me. This is easy if you're building any kind of side project in Web3. This is like no brainer. And the last thing is GPTs. I tried because it's good if you, for example, if you don't have access to these GPTs, still it's pretty limited. If you write sales here, you only gonna see I don't know, like maybe 10 positions. So here you are not going, and there is not a lot of things about sales, and this is like also another part. There's not a lot of good sales GPTs here. So if you wanna go and explore the world, you can use the 22,500 best custom GPT for searching and looking online. So what custom GPTs can help me in sales? And boom, here is the list of all different things, from emails to e-commerce to different stuff. Like if you're creating the better prompt by using, for this one, for example, this one, prompt perfect, improve your prompt, put your, one-liner, it is going to give you like 8 to 10 liner, and then you're putting it here, and then you're having better sales, you're having better GPTs, better comparison, better understanding what's going on and what's happening on the market. By the way, this is a new team plan for Chat GPT. So if, for example, you are in company and you have been using Plus subscriptions and everybody was paying from their own, then company was reimbursing everybody, I highly recommend, going to your HR or to management and then talking with them for creating and buying one whole team subscription. That's going to be like basically in any SaaS, like any good team subscription, and it's pretty good. They're giving you a few different perks, better results. They do not train your data on, and you have better access to the Explore GPTs, to the GPT web store. So it's a good recommendation for you. To sum up, what ChatGPT is doing here is, it's very good, because ability to create your own GPT and monetize this can be a great source of income for majority of entrepreneurial people in the space, and there is a lot of them here. So I highly recommend you to take a look into this, buy ChatGPT Plus subscription, because there is going to be a lot of cool stuff, what you can do with it, and basically stay tuned with the channel, subscribe, share it with friends, be in the loop, be a cool guy, don't be a sad guy that's just watching and just leaves. Be a cool guy or girl that leaves a like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.